sweetheart. Daddy can't wait for Saturday.
Oh, Daddy, I wish it was Saturday right now.
Oh, it'll be here before you know it, honey. Listen, I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Daddy. I love you too.
Bye, honey.
There are so many promises I make every day, 1,000 demands that pull me away. I'll be on time, I'll get the job done. I've always been one you can count on. But there's one little voice I hear in the crowd that stops my world from spinning round. When she says,
Daddy, will you read me a story before bed?
and I say, I will, yes I will, yes I will, 'cause you're Daddy's little girl. Every other Saturday, it's just not enough time for this single dad to give the love that's mine. I know there'll be days when she won't understand why Mom and Dad didn't go quite as planned. That's why trips to the zoo and ice cream cones don't even come close. She needs so much more. When she says,
Dad, will you call me? I need to talk. Bye.
and I say, I will, yes I will, yes I will, 'cause you're Daddy's little girl. And as the years go by, it seems she needs me less. Will I be able to say that I'm doing my best? Is there something there? Can she call me her friend? Does she really know my love will never end? There will come that day when she finds someone who will promise his love till the day life's done. She'll look in my eyes, I'll look in hers too. So glad I'm there to hear those words I do. Oh, when she says,
Dad, will you walk me down the aisle now?
and I say, I will, yes I will, yes I will. You'll always be my little girl.
सपने अपने समझ कर पूरा उनको करते हो। उन सपनों की कीमत क्या क्या सह के अदा करते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो। दो कपड़े कम पास तुम्हारे, तुमको ये नहीं परवाह है। बच्चों को कुछ कमी रहे ना, इसी बात का झगड़ा है। अपने लिए बाजारी हो जाते, मेरे लिए ले आते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो। दुख हो चाहे सुख हो तुम्हारी, आंखें नम नहीं होती हैं। दिल से निकलती मेरे लिए दुआएं कम नहीं होती हैं। गुस्से में कभी बात करूं तो मन ही मन से जाते हो। पापा खुद सब सहते हो, हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो। है मालूम कि मेरी खातिर तुम जान भी दे सकते हो। एक इंसान ही सारे जहां से